Welcome to the Hotel Kitchen Training Program, focused on becoming a professional kitchen porter. This video covers the daily routine skills and efficient workflow secrets needed in a busy hotel kitchen. The role of a kitchen porter is more than just cleaning. It's about supporting the entire kitchen workflow. Key tasks include washing dishes, moving supplies, wiping surfaces, assisting chefs, maintaining cleanliness, and ensuring smooth operations from prep to close. Starting your shift right is essential. Arrive on time, check the task board, put on your clean uniform, and wash your hands. Review priorities with the chef, inspect your station, and mentally prepare for the rush. Personal hygiene is paramount. Always wear a clean uniform, tie back hair, and wash hands regularly with soap. Wear gloves when handling waste, keep nails short, and wear non-slip shoes. Poor hygiene puts everyone at risk. Working safely protects you and your colleagues. Watch for wet floor hazards and handle hot trays using oven gloves. Be aware of sharp tools, maintain clear pathways, and immediately report any hazards to your supervisor. Know where the emergency gear is located. Understanding the kitchen flow helps you anticipate needs. Support the prep area with clean tools, clear plates, and assist chefs at the service line. Maintain a continuous dishwashing cycle at the wash-up station, and restock supplies in storage. Anticipate needs before they become problems. A well-prepared wash station saves time. Arrange dish racks, fill dispensers, position waste bins within reach, and organize trays. Ensure drying shelves are clear and check water temperature. A quick setup makes the rush much smoother. Move quickly without creating chaos by implementing a clear workflow. Collect dirty plates promptly, sort items by type, scrape off food waste, and then stack securely in designated, non-overloaded racks to prevent breakage and injury. Clean efficiently in 4 steps for speed and hygiene. First, pre-rinse to remove food debris. Second, wash thoroughly with hot soapy water. Third, rinse with clean hot water. Finally, sanitize according to health standards. Wash less soiled items first to keep water clean longer. To prevent breakage and keep items ready, dry smart and stack safe. Allow items to air dry on proper racks. Stack plates by size and type. Place glassware on dedicated racks, and store heavy items on lower shelves. Ensure everything is dry before stacking, and keep clean items covered. Managing waste properly keeps the kitchen clean, safe, and efficient. Separate food waste for composting, and place recyclables in designated bins. Dispose of general rubbish properly, empty bins before they overflow, and clean bin areas regularly. Follow hotel sustainability guidelines. Keeping floors spotless with dry, clean surfaces reduces accidents. Sweep floors regularly during service, mop only during controlled downtime, and always display wet floor signs. Clean up spills immediately, ensure drains are functioning, and conduct a final floor check at the end of your shift. Use quieter moments for deep cleaning between rushes. Scrub hard-to-reach corners and clean under and behind equipment where debris collects. Wipe fridge handles and seals to prevent bacteria growth. Sanitize all work surfaces, descale sinks and taps, and clean ventilation areas for air quality and safety. Great porters make chefs faster and calmer by assisting the brigade. Deliver clean utensils quickly, collect used trays from the pass, and refill ingredient containers proactively. Respond promptly to all requests and keep the pass area clear for plating. A great porter is invisible. Everything just works. Clear communication prevents mistakes in a loud kitchen. Use clear hand signals during service and maintain eye contact. Confirm your understanding before acting. Key communication terms are ready, hot, clear, and need more. Clear, concise communication prevents accidents and speeds up workflow. Work in the right order using a priority framework. Urgent tasks are immediate requests. Ongoing tasks keep the wash station running. Routine tasks clear tables during lulls, and preventative tasks involve cleaning as you go. Always adapt your priority list to the kitchen's rhythm. To stay calm during peak service, focus on one task at a time. Breathe and stay composed. Move with purpose, not panic. Stick to your training and routines, support colleagues, and remember that every rush ends. Trust your preparation. Respecting equipment makes tools last longer and work better. Clean the sink area after each use. Check and replace worn mops and organize tools. Maintain spray bottles and report broken equipment immediately. Treat every tool as if it were your own. Stay ahead of shortages by watching your supplies. Monitor detergent and sanitizer levels, check bin liner stock, and ensure gloves are available. Track paper towel and cleaning supplies. Report low stock before it becomes a problem and maintain a tidy storage area. Small habits stop costly damage. Carry stacked plates with both hands, use proper racks for transport, and never overload trays. Move carefully through swinging doors, place glassware gently, and take extra care with expensive china. Broken items can cost thousands per year. Clean storage matters for hygiene. Wipe fridge seals and clean all shelves regularly. Organize storage containers with labels and align items for easy access. Rotate stock using FIFO principles and report any temperature or hygiene concerns immediately. A strong finish makes the next shift easier. Clean the sink area thoroughly and stack and store all tools properly. Empty all bins and replace liners. Switch off and secure all equipment. Wipe down all surfaces and leave them spotless. Be a reliable team player. Help chefs when they are overwhelmed and support waitstaff with clearing. Coordinate with colleagues during busy periods. Offer assistance without being asked. Maintain a positive attitude under pressure, and be someone the team can count on. Avoid pitfalls like a cluttered station, overflowing bins, messy floors, poor communication, and rushing without thinking. Instead, maintain an organized workspace. Manage waste regularly, ensure clean and safe walkways, communicate clearly, and move with purposeful control. Work smarter, not just faster. Group similar tasks, like batching plates together. Plan your route to minimize wasted steps. Prep before the rush by stocking supplies. Use downtime wisely for cleaning and restocking. Always think one step ahead to anticipate needs. Bring the right mindset to your role. Show up on time and take pride in your work. Stay attentive and observant. Respect every team member and accept feedback gracefully. Commit to continuous improvement. Professionalism starts with attitude. Your work, clean dishes, an organized kitchen, and a smooth workflow links directly to the guest result. This leads to hygienic service, faster cooking, reduced waiting, a protected reputation, and a memorable dining experience. Every task contributes to guest satisfaction. Master these core kitchen porter skills: hygiene, speed, talk, organize, and teamwork. Focus on maintaining cleanliness, working efficiently, communicating clearly, keeping things tidy, and supporting the entire kitchen brigade as one unit. The workflow formula for success is a clean station, plus clear priorities, plus a steady pace equals success. Start clean, know what to do next, and maintain a sustainable pace to stay in control from start to finish. You now have the knowledge to become the porter kitchens depend on. Master the routine, support the team, and keep service running strong. Your dedication and professional attitude make you an indispensable part of every successful kitchen operation.